We all have seen these viral monkey vlogs on the internet, and these are getting millions of views. And have you ever thought, how are they posting that much of long videos on the daily basis? So if you're thinking about the conventional method of generating the script with the ChatGPT and then generating every single clip with the Flow AI, that's not gonna work because it's gonna take a lot of time. And this is not convenient as well. So what if I tell you that there is a method to generate the full-length story along with the voices with just a single prompt? It sounds impossible, right? But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. And for that, we're gonna be using a third-party tool like SJINN. So basically, this is a multi-modal AI that can handle any single task that you can think of. And these are some of the use cases of this AI tool. Like you can generate the video ads, you can generate the consistent character, you can generate 3D models. So you can do every single thing that you can think of. For example, just for the reference, let's try to make the consistent character. So for that, we're gonna use this image and I'll simply give it a prompt, make 4 consistent images of this character. And there we have it. And if we look at the thinking process, it looks like a smart agent. So you can see it used the first image as a reference, then it head over to the Flux context, it added those images and then built a highly detailed prompt for that character, like the clothing, overall style, appearance, age, hairstyle, every single thing. And then it prompted that character into the JSON format. And then we can see we have super consistent images using the Flux context. So this is not using a single model. As I mentioned earlier in the video that this is a multi-modal AI agent. And if we look at these images, these are super consistent. Well, this was a simple example how this model actually works. Now let's get back to our prompt section and give it a detailed prompt like generate one vlog using VO3 consisting of 5 clips. Protagonist, the star is a large fluffy white yeti who lives in a snowy forest. His personality is a hilarious mix of the sarcastic, emotionally unstable, and overly dramatic. But he's ultimately lovable. He's out for a hunt and teaching how to hunt. So we have a very detailed prompt. We have the details about our character and our story. And now simply hit generate. And there we go. Now the AI has started his work. It generated the first scene, second scene, and third scene. So we have the story for all of these scenes, and still this is in a thinking process. We have the story, we have the prompt, and now we have a list for all 5 videos. So let it do his work and we're gonna meet after the results. And now we have all of the individual clips, and not just the individual clips, it also merged all of these clips together into a one single video. So let's watch the output.
Good morning, wilderness enthusiasts. As you can see, the brutal reality of survival starts before dawn.
All right, class, gather round, but quietly now. The first rule of the hunt is stealth. Observe. Notice my flaw.
A hunt! The thrill! The raw, unadulterated primal instinct! This is where legends are made. Or where I dislocate a kneecap.
And then, there are the obstacles. Moments of pure, unadulterated despair.
And so, my loyal followers, we conclude our hunt. While the noble rabbit proved elusive.
And this was amazing because we just entered a single prompt. Now let's take it one step further. So for example, we're gonna use this character and we're gonna ask it, generate a full movie of a woman in a battlefield, keep the character consistent. And let's see how does it perform with this one. Well, make sure to mention generate this with VO3. Alright, so now this is working on it and it has generated a very detailed appearance of this woman. And if I scroll down, now this has generated the complete story script. Alright, so now this is using the Flux context to generate the consistent character images. And then it used the VO3 image to video model. And now this is generating another image. Alright, so everything was going very smooth, but somehow we faced an error. So these are some of the clips that we have got. But in all of these clips, the character is consistent. And let's watch all of these clips combined.
Soldier, look at me. We need to hold the line.
So this was a very short story because we faced an unexpected error. But if we look at the character throughout the video, that is super consistent. And you can see how cool this tool actually is because we can do anything that we can imagine. We can generate the consistent character videos, we can generate the monkey vlogs, whatever you want. We can also generate the consistent characters. And these are some of more examples here. So the possibilities are endless. These are some of the possibilities that I shared with you. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and definitely check this out because I'm very impressed by this tool. So that's it from today. See you in the next one.